Peace family, this Kareem aka K-Mac back again with another video. And I just got my package from the ZBlackCard. I've been a card holder since May of 2018. So about, a year and May is the 5th month, about a year and 7 months, but just ordered a new card. So let's check this one out. One moment. All right, as we can see family, this card comes in a beautiful black box, a beautiful presentation. And man, just looking at this by itself, kind of already excited. Let's see what we looking like, guys. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful presentation. As you can see, the new ZBlackCard, the signature card, has my name right on it. Look at that. Wow. So everywhere I go now, I'm not branding Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citibank, Capital One. I'm branding Kareem McAfee, yo. See what I'm saying? Card holder since. I'm number 3274. There's over 11,000 members now. There's over 11,000 members. I'm number 3274. I've been down. I stay loyal. Y'all, trust me, this card is amazing. There's nothing else like it. I'm going to show you guys some of the other benefits of this card and why I thought it was important for me to have this card and why you may think it's important. And let's just see here. I'm watching a Thursday night football game too, guys. That's why I kind of, to maintain your card's beauty, please store it in its clear protective sleeve after each use. All right, so they think about the longevity of the card. Remove the plastic sleeve and use it to keep your metal ZBlackCard free from scratches. Man, look at this card, guys. Look at this. Come on, yo. And it's a MasterCard. Come on. Ultra Elite Rewards card. This card has so many benefits. I'm going to get into that, but right now I just want to talk about the beauty. Man. Let me